I'm Alexander Ranson, and this is Shillingham Vineyard in East Cornwall. We planted the vineyard in 2021. We grow 5 varieties of grapes here. We are just over 50 acres. Our plan is to create our own wine here on site, open up for like the vineyard tourist trade, and to really sort of create our own brand here, obviously using Shillingham and our surroundings here as our inspiration. We've purchased the Trimax Force 145. It's nice and compact, really solid build, and it's ideal for our row whips here. It's primarily for mulching the prunings in the summer months when we do need to keep control of the growth in the alleyways. It will also be used for that. Primarily, it's for incorporating the prunings back into the soil, part of our drive really to be more sustainable here. Quite a few of the prunings that have been fed into the mulch are sort of 80-90 centimetres long, so it's obviously really important that we get quite a fine mulch. So there'll be like a good range really in size, and that's where the Trimax comes in really. It'll completely eliminate any of the larger prunings in the alleyways. So we had a Trimax Warlord before. We found it was an incredibly reliable piece of machinery. We found that it cut very, very efficiently. It really enabled us just to work. So we purchased our Trimax from Vincent Tractors. We contacted their local representative. We found this sort of overall experience, yeah, real breeze to be honest. I think if you're working around orchards, any sort of tight spaces, I'd say absolutely go for it. I mean, it's just a really, really reliable piece of kit.